Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. We are going to talk about the Honeycomb UPsell Funnels. So we are looking at the dashboard of the Honeycomb UPsell Funnels. Here you will be able to see how your funnels perform. The first one is your upsell performance. This is a record of total revenue of all orders generated by Honeycomb. The second one below that is the revenue growth. This is a graphic representation on growth of your revenue through the different dates. Below that is the funnel views and your top converting funnels. So you can see here which offers generated the most revenue on your store. Aside from the dashboard, you have here the funnels where you can create your funnels, the design where you can customize the appearance of your funnels, the Advanced, and the Upsell Academy. Now let's go to the funnels. On your funnels, here is a list of all the funnels that you have made. You can see here the list. So to create one, you can just click on the new funnel. In here, you will be able to view a step-by-step guide tutorial if you are new to this application. So it is not going to be hard for the beginners since they have a guide provided by the application. The first thing that you have to do is to identify your funnel name. So for example, let's just say that this is a sample funnel 1, and you have to choose or decide on which page you want your funnels to be displayed. Do you want it to display on the product page, on the cart page, the thank you page, or on your blog page? So let's create a funnel or an upsell funnel on your product page. You also have a choice if you want to add it manually or autopilot. So just select the offer type if you want to cross-sell this product, or let's say you want to add complementary products or add more of the same product, or you want to replace an existing product or a product variant with another. So let's say that we want to cross-sell. Just click on that. There are also 4 triggers available on this section. The first one is to show when any product is added to cart. The second one is to show only when specific products are added to cart, or you want to show it only when products from specific collections are added to cart, or lastly, do you want to show it only for a specific cart value. So let's say we want to show it when any product is added to cart. The next thing you need to create is your cross-sell offers. In here, you have a maximum of 3 offers in each funnel. Offers would be displayed one after another. So there are 3 offers that you can create. First offer, you have to select a product. You have to select a product that would be offered to your buyer. So select a store product. Let's say we want to cross-sell your neon lion. It's a t-shirt. So select a discount type. Do you want a discount? So offer the product for 50% off. If there is none, just tick on that none. How do you offer the product through text? So deal unlocked, get this product for 50% off. You can say show offer description, or not. On the advanced, you may also say that you include free shipping for clients who accept this offer, limit the number of products your buyer could buy, set a minimal number of products your buyer must buy. So for example, they should purchase at least 2 products before they can avail of this offer. Or you can also exclude variants. This is a personalized product. So let's say that we want to include a free shipping for clients who accept this offer. Remove this one. Aside from, once you have created your offer number 1, you may just create another offer since it says that you have a maximum of 3 offers. So on this side, you can see here your product page upsell or cross-sell page. So here, this is how it looks. You may set the optional rules for this funnel if you want to show it on both or on just mobile or desktop. So let's say we want to offer that on both. You may also set if you want to skip offers if the product is already included in the cart, target specific countries, allow customers to use a discount code if you have a discount code, add funnel priority, set start time and the end time. So let's say that we want to skip offers if the product is already included. After customizing all this information, you may save and activate. So you may find that already in this list. To view that, just click on the preview icon. So this is how your funnel look like. It says here that this is your funnel preview. The funnel will be triggered after your buyer adds a product to cart. You can change the design of funnel offers in the Design tab located under the App Settings. Now, on the Design section, you may be able to customize your funnels. On the left section, here are the customizers. On the right, this is the preview of your funnels. So the first one is the quick themes. Let's say we want this. So you can see here if you want that. The next one is the upsell page. You can set your background color, your next offer text, previews. Just play around this area and just customize it according to your preferences. The top bar, your countdown timer on how long will your offer will be, your pricing, your product, and the minimized view. So if you're okay with that, you may just preview full screen. This is how your funnel looks like. So the next feature of the Honeycomb upsell funnels is your advanced. So what is on the advanced? On the advanced, here is the post-purchase upsell orders. This setting applies to thank you page funnels only because, as it says here, it is a post-purchase upsell order, which means that this is only applicable when your customers have checked out or have purchased a product. So do you want them to create a new order or just automatically edit the initial order? We also have here the pixels and tracking. You can connect your Facebook, your Pinterest, your Snapchat, and Google Pixels to your upsells funnels. You may also just change your funnels through CSS and the JavaScript. So this is really great because if they do not have the features that you want, then you can just add through CSS and the JavaScript. You may also set or control your email notifications. Do you want to enable the email notification if you have a new upsell order? Just enable it, or if you don't want, just disable it. Lastly is the customer or the custom trigger selectors. You can add custom button support to trigger your funnels. Just add selector and just see. And lastly is your Upsell Academy. In here, as the title says, it is an Upsell Academy where you can learn about the application, the upsell insights. You may view these videos, funnel inspiration. If you have questions about the application, you can always go to the common questions. And I think this is everything about the Honeycomb upsell funnels. I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!